The most humble living room entertainment setups can include surround sound speakers these days, so there's no reason that even a modest budget video project shouldn't at least consider creating a surround sound mix. Final Cut Pro 10 actually makes creating a surround sound mix extremely simple. First, you'll need a sound interface with at least 6 outputs to create a 5.1 surround soundtrack. 5 of the outputs are used for the left, center, right, back left, and back right speakers, and the 6th is used for the subwoofer signal. Obviously, you'll also need a complete set of surround sound monitor speakers. To correctly set up your outputs, open the Audio MIDI Setup utility found in your System Drives utility folder. In the Audio Devices window, select your output and choose Configure Speakers. In the Multi-Channel section, confirm that the speakers are correctly mapped to your audio device's numbered outputs. Setting up surround sound in Final Cut Pro is simple. Just select an audio clip and in the Audio Inspector, choose a Surround Pan mode. Here we'll select some dialogue and choose the dialogue preset. Notice that a new item called Surround Panner appears. Click its disclosure triangle to reveal the Surround Panner. The 5 surround speakers of a 5.1 surround sound system are indicated around the edges of a circular graph. A puck control indicates the current position of the sound in the viewing sound space. Since dialogue is normally positioned toward the screen, you'll see that the dialogue preset has positioned the puck right toward the front speakers. You can drag the puck around to reposition the sound. If you move the puck to the back, the sound you're adjusting will seem to emanate from behind the viewer. Move it to the front again, and it will seem to come from the position of the viewing screen. The colored sound waves emanating from each speaker give an indication of how loud the sound will be playing back through each speaker to create the surround sound placement effect. Like most parameters in Final Cut Pro, you can add keyframes to animate the effect over time. So, if you want the illusion of a helicopter flying from behind to forward, you could keyframe the puck to the rear at the start of the clip, and then keyframe it to the front at the end of the clip. The sound would then animate from back to front. An advanced section of sliders allows you to adjust specific details of the surround sound system. For most situations, you'll find yourself happy with the default set there. And that's basically it. You'd then proceed to set each of your sounds to a surround pan mode and mix accordingly. The various presets optimize the surround panner for different purposes, and use the pan amount as a simple animation slider. For example, select Circle and then drag the amount slider to have a sound rotate around the outer edge of the room. Notice also how your level meters display the 6 different output levels as opposed to a traditional stereo pair.